welcome back to the videos and where I show how to use our new braiding wraps, which can be found at www.innerspiritboho.co.uk. For this look I'm going to show you how to do like a full French braid look. As I said in the first video, these come in four sizes: 15 inch, 20 inch, 25 inch and 30 inch. Aurora has got shoulder length hair, so I'm going to use the 20 inch with her. So onto the video. What we're going to do is we're just going to take a section of hair at the front, just like that. On these there's a sliding knot, which is shorter and bigger, so I'm going to open that up and I'm going to put her hair through and then tighten that knot. Just like that, bring that to the front, and then I'm going to slide the first bead up like that. So we've got our first bit now. What we will do next is we will take a bit from each side. So I just do a rectangle down that bit and a rectangle down this side. Pull that to the back. Now get the first strand and put those together like that. I'm going to take the wrap and I'll put my hand through and I will pull that, and then if you can see, I'm going to twist it so it's like a cross at the back, and then I'm going to bring the hair back through like that. Give it a little tighten and then slide the bead up. So that's where we're at now. Yours will be neater. I'm not very good at all this hair malarkey. Next I'm just going to take a section of hair on both sides like that. Just pop that back out there. Take that first strand again and we meet those together. Once again we pull that through, we twist so it's like a cross. Pull that back through, tighten it. Might need to just give it a wiggle sometimes just to tighten that up. Bead goes on like that, and then we just continue with that. If you put that towards the front, it just stops that getting in your way. So I'm just going to take another section of hair from either side. Grab the first one, try and neaten that up. And then hand through, twist and pull back through. Another section. Now each length has got a different amount of beads on. The 15 inch has got 5 beads, the 20 inch has got 6 beads, the 25 inch has got 7 beads, and the 30 inch has got 8 beads. So there's plenty of room for wrapping and crossing. And now what we're going to do, we've got one bead left, so we're going to take the rest of the hair like that, through, twist at the back, bead goes up, we go. Now if you can get a back look. So now we've created a really pretty French braid. You can leave the ends like that, or you can, depending on how much length you've got left, you can wrap it round again and then give it a little tie like that. So it's completely up to you how you use it, but there are so many ways. You can just go down one side, you can do like pigtails either side with a braid. You can just take a strand, you know, a section of hair and just use this just to braid down that one section of hair. Also works for dreadlocks, holds everything nice and still, and this will stay in for the day now. This slider knot makes sure that this bit is secure, so it's not just relying on a bead, it's got this knot which is going to keep it in. Well, thank you for watching. As I said before, pop on over to www.innerspiritboho.co.uk to see which ones we have on offer at the moment. Thank you.